This is called a meditation on the shit show, or better. I'm scared. No, that's a lie. I wish I was scared. I wish I had that newly found sense of my own mortality so we could bond together in this time of turmoil, elevating our spirits and shout from our balconies with invisible interlocking hands raised high above, challenging the gods themselves, that we shall not go gently into the good night we will endure. We will stand and fight together. Repeating watered down plagiaristic bullshit of the hurried rallying cry and echoing poorish reassurance from all those seemingly never-ending Insta-influencers. Listen to me, 5 ways to survive the pandemic. Number 1, I wish I was scared. Do you know what I really wish? I really wish I invested in Zoom before the pandemic. Hadn't even heard of this shit a couple of weeks ago. Now the entire planet is utilizing its benefits, mute button and all. That forethought would have been sweet as living in this physically distanced Mark Zuckerberg wet dream of connectivity. I could have spent my monetary gains on so much, on what? A bigger prison, more stuff to fill this self-isolation with. Another thought on the cuts: when and how will I be prepared to give for just one touch from a human being? It won't come to that. When they hear about my incurable disease, how many steps back do they take? Do I even notice anymore? But now we're all in this together, supposedly. The future where it's entirely possible never to feel my father jokingly slap the back of my head when I least expect it, or my mother resting a palm right here, or to feel the almost choking embrace of my loved ones while they shout and giggle fear and dada. Are you afraid now? You see, it's a choice, right? And I feel again and again, my phone buzzes with updates of people around the world helping those in need, the most vulnerable, and those who are vulnerable send a beacon of thanks to those most at risk, that we are in this together and you are not alone, and that goodwill filters through my body with joyous hope, projecting tactile thoughts of my father's slap, mother's touch, a lover's kiss, the kindness of strangers, and memories I keep and cherish right here always. I stop and I let go of all control, and my awareness wanders to the heavens in my mind's eye, remembering that when you get right down to it, we are on board the roundish, spinning, unstable rock, hurtling through cold, harsh, dark vacuum of space, powered by a dying nuclear star, a universe so large that there is no such thing as up or down, only what's right here, right now. And it's infinite. How's that for perspective? Ibesta ne ade anisna matya sujigamikandis mandigo. Articulate.